This segment is sponsored by Salsa de Leon. Well, I'll tell you what, this is fantastic. We love our salsa here in San Antonio, and one local family decided to make their own salsa at home and distribute it around the state for you to enjoy with family and friends. Leticia and Armando de Leon are the founders of Salsa de Leon, and they're joining us from the kitchen where it all started. Hi, Leticia. It's nice to see you. Thanks for joining us this morning.
Thank you. Good morning. Thank you for having us this morning.
I'm super excited. I mean, we love salsa. We love it on chips. We love it on just about everything. So tell me how this started for you guys.
So my husband and I have been making our salsa for over 20 years. And over the years, we had friends and family that would comment to us that we should consider bottling our salsa to sell. But we were so busy with kids, we were so busy with our jobs that we just didn't have the time to invest in another project. And it was in 2018 that we thought, okay, well, there's only one way to find out if our salsa will actually sell. So we formed our business. We started selling salsa, meeting friends and family in the parking lots of grocery stores, daycares. You know, we would take them with us to our kids' games, and people started buying it. And our company just started growing from there. So we're extremely grateful for where our business is right now, and we're extremely grateful for the support that we have received from our friends and family as well.
And this salsa is more than just for chips, right? I know you guys like to use it on all sorts of different things.
Absolutely. So we promote our salsa as an ingredient in recipes. You can use it in so many recipes to enhance the flavor, to add some spice. Actually, right now, my husband is cooking some spicy beef fajitas. So he grills these fajitas outside, he brings them back inside, he cuts them up, puts them in a skillet, adds our salsa. We like it hot, so we add our hot salsa. He simmers them really slow. They get super tender, super tasty, and they're just delicious. So our salsas really enhance the flavor and add a lot of spice to your food.
I would have never thought about using salsa to kind of coat my fajitas. What a great idea. I love that. And we've got some here in studio. It looks delicious. It's like a roasted salsa, so a little extra flavor in there.
It is. It's roasted. It's authentic. The salsa is very hearty. It's almost like a homemade salsa that your grandmother or your mother would make at home. So it's really good, and it's just full of flavor. So it really adds a lot of flavor to your food.
And we can find these at H-E-B. You guys have them in our local H-E-Bs?
Yes, you can find them in H-E-Bs across the state of Texas. You can also order online through our website, and we ship all over the place. So shipping is not a problem. And we also have a list of other retailers on our website that you can order from, or you can actually go to their retail location.
That is so cool. Congratulations on that. All right, Leticia, what is one of your favorite things to do with the salsa for you? So we've got the fajitas that Armando's making. What do you like to do?
So we actually love chips and queso in our house. And when we make our queso, we actually put it in the queso when we're making the queso. So it's not just something that you actually put in your chip or you dip your chip into. We actually cook a lot of our food with our salsa in it. Just like Mondo's doing right now with the fajitas.
Oh my gosh.
We have an elk chili that somebody made, and they use our hot salsa. We have green enchiladas that somebody used our Texas mild salsa in. So there's tons of recipes that you can incorporate our salsa into.
Well, it was so nice to meet you. Congratulations on growing this business and getting into the local H-E-B. This is it, guys. It's Salsa de Leon. Look for them, again, at your local H-E-B. And, of course, you can order it online as well. Go to salsadeleon.com and be sure you're following them on Instagram at Salsa de Leon TX.